My name is Jason Parker with Davis Crop Insurance here in Halifax County, Virginia. We want to reach out and thank all of our cooperative extension people for their virtual hemp field day today. We want to make sure we thank our legislators, our producers, VDACs, Dr. Fife, Dr. Miller, for their help in securing Virginia in the 2020 pilot program last year. We're going to give you a basic overview of the 2020 crop insurance program this year. It's available in 21 states. Hemp is a Category B crop, just like wheat, soybeans, corn. We need to establish a 4-year database to establish your APH yields. This was be done by using 2019, 2018, 2017, and 2016. 2019, most people grew a crop in 2019, so your actual production you used in that year will count towards your database. But in 2018, 17, and 16, you use the county T yields. Each county has its own T yield. Some of them are higher, some of them are lower. But we can only use 80% of them, of the county T yields. So what we do is we have to take the 2019s, 18, 17, and 16, we add them together, divide them by 4 to come up with your yield. You take that yield, and then you see up above here, we're talking about coverage levels range from 50 to 75%. So whatever your coverage level is, you select. We're going to multiply it times your yield, and that's going to give you your guaranteed pounds per acre. Federal crop insurance come up with $8.64 the price for a pound of hemp. So what we do is take your guarantee and we'll multiply it times $8.64, and that will give you the value of an acre of hemp. Some requirements that has to be done to have a policy in place. There has to be 5 acres for CBD, 20 acres for grain and fiber. You have to have a contract with a processor. You have to get a official state license from VDAC, Virginia Department of Agriculture. Aaron Williams was on here earlier today. So 1 year of history of producing hemp, most everybody satisfied that with 2019. Conservation compliant with your Farm Service Agency. You have to make sure there's an AD 1026 on file. Causes involved in the hemp is any act of Mother Nature, such as weather-related, insects, wildlife. All of this is prior to harvest. Not covered is the testing, THC testing over 0.3%. This is what we call hemp being hot, and it has to be destroyed. So the inability to market your crop is not a covered loss. Encourage damage after harvest, such as mold or fungus developing on the hemp, is not a covered loss. What we need to do is we need to solicit you all's help as much as possible and in a very timely manner. We have already reached out to our legislators for the 2020 crop policy, and we've asked them to do away with the no minimum acreage. No other Category B crop has a minimum acreage. And according to VDACs, 87.1% of the licenses that they did this year are less than 5%. You get the change of the new producer status where we can use 100% county T yields. This will help out with the guarantees. Also, we are working on getting the levels of the THC raised from 0.3% to 1%. These are just 3 of the things that we have been passing along to our legislators that we see there needs to be a change to the policy going forward. And we want you to help us out and contact your local legislator also. The USDA has extended the comment period through October 8th before the national hemp rules take place on November 1st. USDA is very interested in public comments. You can log into the USDA website to see a list of 12 topics that they want you to make comments on. Follow the link on the website to go in there and make your comments. And do not hesitate and be very efficient in those comments. We at JT Davis Crop Insurance, we appreciate you. Appreciate the time this evening, and have any questions, call us at 1-800-248-5480. Thank you so much.